Can you turn your volume up, please? I can barely hear you.
What are you saying? I'm barely able to hear you. Say that again.
Can you turn your volume up, please? I can barely hear you. Thank you.
Can you hear me now?
That's somewhat better, yeah. Okay, well, I was inquiring about a call I got about a tax evasion or something. A warrant for my arrest.
Okay, no problem. Can you please verify me your first and last name?
Stupid, dumb. Can you fix your volume, please?
What do you say?
Can you fix your volume, please?
My name is Officer Jack Parkin, and my arrest warrant and my badge ID number is IRM 894108.
Can you fix your volume?
Hold on.
It's really crackly and far away or something.
Is that okay now?
Yeah?
Is that okay now?
Yes, for the time being it is. Thank you. Okay, my name is Marilyn Mayfield.
What's your name is?
Marilyn Mayfield.
Okay, just hold on, Marilyn. Let me pull up your records and I'll be telling you the purpose of call you got, okay?
Okay, fix your speaker too.
Hold on.
Motherfucker. Yes.
Yes, what's your last name is?
Mayfield.
M-A-P-L-E, Mayfield.
No. Mayfield. Like the month May and the field that you run in.
Okay, Miss Mayfield, let me tell you that you had received an intimation call regarding a
documentation
non-bailable
call?
arrest warrant, which has been issued against your name.
Oh, okay.
Have you been briefed about it
Well,
before or not?
I don't have a clue about this until I called just now.
What are you saying?
I don't have a clue about this until I called just now.
Let me tell you, miss, that the arrest warrant
Okay, that's great.
issued is due to tax evasion.
Tax evasion?
You have been found
What the hell is that?
primary subject being benefited by a wrong amount of taxes in the wrong way.
Shit, bun.
So the Union Services has filed 3 allegations against you, which has resulted to this non-bailable arrest warrant.
Okay. Well, what are the charges?
What are the?
What are the charges? Sorry,
We don't
y'all here.
want any charges from you. Let me clear you that as per the statutory audit of your tax filing
Okay.
from the year 2012 to 2016, there is a miscalculated amount from your side,
Sir.
which is $2,866, which is underpaid by your name.
Sir.
Yeah.
It cannot be for 2016. It's still being audited. Because it was just processed for me back in February.
I said.
So they already got miscalculations from 2016 too?
Hey, Miss Mayfield, listen to me.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on, sir.
As per the statutory audit, I'm saying as per the statutory audit.
Well, the audit's wrong on 2016.
The statutory audit of the IRS is a session of 5 years, in which we conclude the underpayment amount and the tax filings of each and every person of United States.
Well, how come I wasn't informed about this?
What are you saying?
How come I wasn't informed about this?
From our side, you have been informed.
No, I have not. I have not received any indication at all. I haven't got anything in the mail.
I'm telling you. Listen to me first of all.
Don't yell at me. I'm just trying to discuss with you. Okay?
My brother, listen to me.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we sent
this is bullshit.
2 times. Twice we sent a government authorized CPA.
No, you did not. What address you got?
with all the documentation and the paperwork. But both the times he returned and said Miss Miper was not available at your place.
Well, what address do you have to make sure that it's the right one?
What do you want?
What address do you have on file for me? Tell me, please.
Hold on, telling you, Mom.
You're telling
Hold on,
me.
just some.
Hello? You should have it right there on the screen.
I'm saying, hold on, I'm pulling up your details.
Well, you should have it right there already. That's the way technology works today. Don't make one up.
Is that your address? Near Boston, Massachusetts, issued by...
No. Hello? See, that's where you can get them right there. Dang it, I was about to go up on them. I got a call and I was calling back. I don't like that bitch anyway. I don't like the women.
Iris, can I help you?
I got a call and I was calling back.
I'm sorry, pardon me?
I got a call and I was calling back. Something about a restaurant or whatever for the taxes.
Alright. Is it a voicemail or a call that you received?
It was both because it went to the voicemail.
Alright, no problem. Then can I have your first name and your last name so that I can see what you have received that message or a call from us?
Marilyn Mayfield.
Marilyn, right?
Yes, Mayfield.
Hello?
What? I'm here, yes, loud and clear.
Alright, Miss Marilyn, can I have your last name?
Mayfield.
Mayfield.
Yes, like it sounds. May and Field.
Alright, I got it. Can I have your zip code?
Ouch. Hold on one second. I gotta hang my dog a minute. Hold on, I'm sorry. Stop. Quit. No. Sorry about that.
No problem.
Stop. 49413. Lie down.
49413, right?
Yes, lie down.
Alright, no problem, ma'am. Just give me a moment. Let me see what's going on,
I
alright?
said no. Okay, thank you.
Hold on.
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright.
No, lie down. Puddle, sit. Stay. Good boy. He's a little wild today. I don't know what it is. You know, he's just really happy, I guess.
Are you there, Miss Marilyn?
Yes.
Alright, Miss Marilyn, we are calling from Internal Revenue Service. My name is Agent Richard Johnson with a federal employee number that is 457-3618 from Tax Investigation Department.
What was your first name?
It's Richard Johnson.
Okay, I didn't get it. I'm sorry, it popped out. Go ahead.
Alright. So, ma'am, in order to give you that information, alright, let me tell you, ma'am, this call has been recorded and been monitored by the Homeland Security.
Homeland Security. They were on the news this morning.
By the local police department nearby your area, alright? They're monitoring this call and being recorded for security purposes, alright?
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, no problem then. So now, ma'am, we have received some serious allegation and a lawsuit being filed under your name by the IRS. Are you aware of the situation, ma'am?
Not until the phone call. I have no clue.
Alright, no problem. So, ma'am,
Wow,
in order to give you that information, do you know who filed your taxes for you, ma'am?
I do them myself on TurboTax every year.
TurboTax. Do you know how long you have been doing by yourself, ma'am?
At least
Like
10
a couple of years?
At least 10 years.
least 10 years. Alright, no problem. So now, ma'am, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you some explanation regarding your case file. And after that, you decide what you like to do. Alright?
Alrighty.
Alright, no problem, Ms. Marilyn. What happened is that recently the federal government had conducted a random confidential audit all across the United States. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, when we conducted an audit on your tax filing, ma'am, we found a disturbance under your tax filing, which means whosoever have filed your taxes is not being filed correctly. There is some miscalculation and some error had been found over your tax filing for some amount, alright?
How's that?
The taxes record that we have received under your name, it's not matching the record that we, the government, have, which means the government have received a pending amount under your name, which is claimed to be unpaid, or that this amount is still pending under your name. That's the only reason the government have filed a lawsuit and a warrant under your name. And the reason why we are giving you this call is to provide you that information so that we can help you out to rectify the situation. However, on this federal record line,
how come I didn't get...
we go ahead and take any legal step under your name.
How come I didn't get an indication about this?
You mean to say that you haven't received any kind of correspondence regarding your case?
No, of course not.
Alright, no problem then. What I can do is that, ma'am, I can pull out your case file. So you tell me, ma'am, would you like to go ahead with your case paper or what you like to do, ma'am?
I want to hear about the case, yeah. That's why I called.
Alright. No problem, ma'am. So in order to pull out your correct case file, because this is a federal record line, we cannot give you any kind of wrong information on this federal record line. If I do so, I will lose my job, so I cannot take that risk.
Well, you're fired.
So in that case, can I have your first line of your mailing address?
What?
Can I have your first line of your mailing address?
Yeah, 3601 Copperhead Road.
Copperwood Road, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright, can I have your date of birth?
I gotta do it later. I got a call and I was calling back about a warrant or something about taxes. Hello? Hi, Grundy. I'm having good luck today. I don't know, these stupid ass scammers. I just got a missed call. Let me call this number back. They keep calling me, but they won't answer when I call back. Ouch! No!
Internal Revenue Service, or can I help?
I received a call just a minute ago.
From this number, ma'am, you received a call.
Yes, I did.
Okay, ma'am. This is our direct line number, ma'am. We never call people, okay?
I just got a missed call. If you want me to, I can take a screenshot of the missed calls and send it to you by email or something, motherfucker.
Listen, maybe some officer has tried to reach you, okay, but we need to tell them we were speaking, okay?
I just think that you're just a fucking scammer and you can just fuck off. And quit calling my damn number, motherfucker. And quit calling my number. I know what I say. Oh, buddy.
Connect with a real-life personal stylist for free. You can get help on any
Stop. Hold on, guys. Why have I got a call from this number like 10 times?
Ma'am, we never call people.
Motherfucker, you did too, you asshole.
Ma'am, what's wrong?
Don't bullshit me, you motherfucker. Quit scamming people. You know damn well someone called my number from this damn place.
No, ma'am, it's not possible, okay?
It is too. Fuck off, scammer.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Oh, you're gonna be so sweet about it. Oh my god. I hate when they do that. I like them to fight back. I got a call from this number. I want to know what it is.
I beg your pardon?
I got a call from this number. Several of them, actually. And I want to know what this is. I'm sorry. What?
Are you out of your mind?
No, you're out of your mind.
No, I'm not out of my mind.
Okay, I've got
I told you.
1, 2, 3, 3 missed calls in like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever from this number. Yeah. So what's the deal?
Just do one thing. Just do one thing. Just take your cell phone and just put it in your pussy, okay?
Why don't you take your fucking scam and shove it up your ass, motherfucker?
No, I don't want that.
Yeah, you're an asshole. You're a criminal.
If you don't want that, then just do one thing. Just take your cell phone and put it in your pussy, okay? And don't let me
Take
know
your
what you do.
headset or phone or whatever and shove it up your ass, motherfucker.
You go fuck yourself.
You go too. Go suck your own dick, motherfucker.
But motherfucker, how can I?
Yeah,
You have to do
asshole.
that for me.
Yeah.
Do you want it? Listen, man,
Quit,
I have the long black
quit,
one. It's
quit
always
stealing from people,
I have
motherfucker.
the long black one, okay?
Quit stealing from people, asshole.
Yeah, that's my money, okay? That's my money, okay? I'm out.
You didn't earn nothing. You stole it. That's bullshit.
Then why don't you give up, you motherfucker? Why are you calling here?
I'm wasting your time so you don't steal from people.
You have an awesome voice, man. You have a beautiful voice, okay?
And quit trying to suck up. It's not going to do any good.
Yeah, that's okay. If you have a juicy pussy, then of course I'm gonna do that, okay? I'm gonna suck it for you, okay?
Where am I at? Where are you going to find me at?
No,
Motherfucker.
you don't have that, right? Then why are you calling here? Don't call here, okay?
I'm going to call again and again. And so will other people. And so, no, I
You
don't.
like me, right? That's
No, I can't fucking stand you right now. You're an asshole.
Okay, then come here.
What?
So what you can do, you can just do one thing.
I'm not going to do one thing. You can do one thing. Stop stealing from people.
You can just try to grab a brinjal and just put it in your pussy, and once the sperm come out, just
You're dirty.
Just do one thing.
Just desperate need, aren't
do
you?
one thing then. Yes. Just do one thing.
I'm going to put your number.
Inside your pussy and just let me know.
Yeah, I'm going to expose your number, and you're going to get lots of calls, so prepare yourself mentally. So what scam are you running here? IRS? What scam are you running here?
IRS scam, motherfucker.
IRS scam? That's what I thought, dumbass.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
I do that. That's my hobby.
get ready for some phone calls.
Just tell me, where are you from? Just tell me that.
America, dummy.
Yeah, I know. You're from America. From which state?
I'm not telling you.
What is the name of your state? What is the name of your state?
Don't worry about it.
What? What is that?
Yeah, let me guess you're from India, motherfucker.
Yes, of course I'm from.
I knew, yeah. Y'all spoofed the damn numbers and you act like you're calling from America.
I'm from India, you motherfucker. What the fuck are you gonna do?
Well, one day your ass is gonna be behind the bars, so you better prepare yourself.
No, man. No, honey. No. Party animal, right?
What?
Party animal.
What?
Party animal.
Just like you're scamming, you don't make sense.
Yeah, man, of course, man. I
Yeah.
have a lot of escape money when I don't care to spend, okay? Do you know? Can you please come and fuck around with me? You can do that, okay?
I don't want
You're a
to.
gold digger, you motherfucker.
You're a
Gold
motherfucker.
digger, right?
What?
Don't give a shit about the gold diggers. Do you know?
Do you even know the definition of that?
Oh my god.
Oh, Matachode. Back off, yeah,
You're
Matachode.
gonna teach me then, you motherfucker.
Banca Lore.
You're gonna teach me. Just do one thing, man.
Tu scam hai.
Just do one thing. Just put your middle finger. Just take your middle finger and just put it in your pussy, man. Just do it.
Take your middle finger and shove it up your ass.
Please. No.
Or actually, no, do this one thing.
Yes,
Take your finger and shove it down your throat and choke yourself.
On her pussy, and you just came out from your mother. Do you know that?
What gonna do?
Yeah.
How do you make it do?
Because your mother can't make me happy. So
No.
that's the reason I just left your mother and I
Don't
just
think so. You're an asshole.
Yeah,
Fuck
your
off.
mother. Yeah.
Have a
your
good day.
mother
Dead
just
battery.
can't make me happy.
I ain't gonna listen to that shit. Y'all can call it up. Yep, call it up. 202-239-7220. Motherfuckers. Peace.